Teresa is real big on gadgets, y'all. And this is one of her gadgets. She has got so many gadgets.
And y'all are going to want one after you see what this
I know it.
does. So if you like to make apple pies or anything,
Look at that.
Eddie would be killing me if you saw me.
What, Eddie?
That's why I try to do this.
Eddie ain't here right this minute. Look at that. Look at that, y'all.
And all you have to do is cut it on the sides, and you have perfect slices.
Oh, I love it. Y'all, this recipe brings back so many memories. You know, I have so many memories. Look at this. Look what I keep up here every day. My precious Bubba. I'm missing so very badly, y'all. And Bubba will always be a part of my memories. And he liked this dish too. Your kids and your grandkids are going to love it. Now, I tell y'all to cook it in a square pan, so I've got my cast iron.
What's it called?
Oh, I didn't tell everybody what it's called. It's something. Piggy Pudding. Who won't love piggy pudding? So I've got a package of flint sausage that I'm going to cook off. And then we're going to drain our pan. We're going to cook it, almost completely done. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. And this dish, it's so fun when it bakes. Those little piggy sausages, they'll kind of pop up and stand up. Or at least they always have in the past, y'all. Might not do it this time. But you know that Teresa was showing us how her apple peeler works. The reason she was showing us that is because these apples are going to go in the bottom of our piggy pudding. So she made it so easy. And then she just sliced them in two, in half. And there's a little bitty brown spot right here. So I'm going to cut that out, which it won't hurt a thing. It won't hurt a thing, y'all. And if you think your apples are going to be sitting out for a good while, you can always sprinkle them with some fruit fresh. What did I tell you? I spent half my life trying to get stuff open. Old hands. All right. So we've got, you can buy any brand that you want, but this is just a sweet yellow cornbread muffin mix and half a cup of, isn't that regular milk? I can't remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Okie dokie. So I'm just going to kind of wipe the grease out of this. It really doesn't have that much, and I don't want to lose all of that flavor. So just a little bit. All right, so now I'm going to arrange our, ouch, that was hot. So now I'm going to arrange our apples, and the recipe calls for 4 to 5 apples peeled and cored. And it calls for 16 link sausages. Well, they've changed the packaging some now. You get a little less for a little more money. So we only had, 14? We're supposed to have 16. But we want to go spend the money on an extra. So I got my cornbread mix, I got my egg, and I got my milk. And now we're going to pour that on top of our apples. I didn't use all of our apples. I hope those little piggies will pop up. I hope that they will pop up. Hold on, I'm going to get all of it. Okay, so this is going back in the oven, 450. 450 for 30 minutes. So you may want to adjust your oven. Your oven temperature, 450, is pretty high for 30 minutes. My recipe does not call for this, but I just love that clarified butter. And piggy pudding deserves some butter. So I'm going to use some of my clarified because it doesn't have any water in it. So it won't make it soggy. And you certainly can't eat cornbread without butter, can you? And I have heated some maple syrup, and our piggies didn't pop up. I'm so sad. You know, I might should have cooked it in a smaller thing, but I was trying to just mess up one pan. Now, if I was serving this for the family, I would go ahead and put my hot maple syrup all over this. But since I'm not serving it for the whole family, just me and Teresa. So here's our real maple syrup. Who is excited? I am. Yeah, I would have cooked it in a little deeper pan. Or you know what else I would have done, Teresa? Like I said, it's been years since I made this. I'd probably double my cornbread, you know? Oh gosh, that apple's delicious. And that maple syrup. I'm a happy little pig. But definitely do double the cornbread if you're going to make it in a pan this size. Like I said, there's so many recipes running around in my forehead, and my brain tries to catch them. I don't always have good luck. Just wonderful, y'all. So I'm going to ask Teresa to make a note on the recipe to double your cornbread, okay? I think you'll be happier that way. Love and best dishes, Piggy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.